Hello, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do an art project for the sister-in-law. Sister-in-law repainted her room, so you need new art. And I always tell her, don't buy art on any of these Pinterest or even Amazon. Because it's expensive compared to free. So, anyway, right now I'm gonna show you what we're doing. It's this thing. So this is what she sent me. uh, there's a lot going on here, I guess, but it's not gonna take me very long to do. So let's get into it. Also, I'm going to do it on wood because I like doing it on wood and it's kind of the right color. So might as well do it on wood. It's free. So let's get to it. This is wildflowers on wood, I guess. All right, let's get this white started. There's this pond. It goes about like that. Of course, it continues on over here. Think about ponds, water in general. These lines need to be fairly straight. So the eye can't easily pick out that it isn't straight. Little hand brush there. I used a little too much water. And then this sky. Sky has to be white. The reason is this pond can't reflect that if it's not white. And I want the pond white, so ish. About like that. All these colors are very muted. And I'll probably have to mute them even more. I think it's time to do some of this. Well, admittedly, I'm not the best cameraman. I kind of failed to film putting in this thistle. Anyway, he didn't miss much. Faster I do it, the better it seems to turn out. Because those lines are straighter. Okay, well, I realized something. What I've realized is that this is water. So, that's not the realization, but this is water. So, I didn't put any sort of reflection in here. And boy, it doesn't look right without it. So, here we go. Of course, I've already painted all these in, so you know, that's not good. But especially like these tall spots, I've got to, you know, I've got to put all that in. It's not in there. So I'm just going to try to mimic this line up here with this reflection. And I really should do some hypnotisms here. My brush is a little too wet for this, but it's not bad. I mean, it's water, right? The brush should be wet for water. All right, now we're getting down to it. Need some red, yellow, this orange, and a little black here. Oh yeah, that's looking nice. All right, guys, this looks like finished. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.